In today's video, we are going to count down the best rides at Splash SPA Tamaro. So starting off our video with one spooky adventure, we have got Tunnel of Horror. And the thing about this side is it is not so much the loud, the many twists, the turns, the drops, or the final splashdown that makes it so spooky, but rather what is within the side itself. As if you dare to take on this adventure, it will begin in the complete and utter darkness, and what is so scary about that is that you will not know when those turns or drops or the final splashdown is coming, and that is pretty scary. But what makes it so spooky is then before you know it, there will be many flashing lights out of nowhere, some weird sound effects, and just making this very, very scary. Therefore, if this was too spooky for you, then look no further than our next attraction, Black Night. As you can probably imagine, this one too will begin with you going into complete and utter darkness. And do not worry guys, there are not too many flashing lights this time, as once you've gone through the dark tube, then the flashing lights section, you will then head into an open air section where you will do some twists and turns on your front. Oh yeah, did I forget to mention that the entire slide, start to middle to finish, will be done on your front on a mat. So I guess no lifeguard will be telling you off this time for going down forwards. Who here has ever wanted to go down a toilet bowl? Oh, is that just me? Well, if you have too, then look no further than our next attraction, Cannonball. As no matter whether they call it a space bowl, or a cannonball, or even a sink, no, it is a toilet bowl. And as soon as you're board that raft, the 1 or 2 person raft, and we'd always suggest the one, as there's more chance of you going down backwards at the end, and then you shoot down the tube, you will very quickly realise why that is so. However, what you may not realise is that this is more than just a toilet bowl, as what you'll see at the start of this ride is a control panel, and on this control panel, you'll be able to pick 4 options, either disco, race, tropical or lightning, so then when you head into the toilet bowl, it'll be a very high-tech toilet bowl, with it playing the music, it's got many lights and all of that stuff, just bringing this experience to a whole new level. We've had the spooky, we've had the unique, we've had the toilet bowl, so what are we missing? Oh yes, the thrills. This is Wash Machine, and after going through this, you'll not just be very washed, but also very shocked. Hey, that rhymes, as once you make your way down this slide, instead of just doing, I don't know, one funnel section or a few twists and turns, from what I can see anyway, you will be doing not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 funnel sections, all of which are a little bit different, but all very intense, some of which will be in the dark, some of which will be in the light, some of which will be crazily like flipping you around or whatever, I don't know, but they are all very scary. And do you remember when I mentioned on the toilet bowl side to go on a 1 person raft as you can go down backwards? On this one, you can go down backwards on a 2 person raft. And imagine if you go down backwards on the first final section and then have to go through the other 3 completely backwards. That is crazy. Oh, I knew this side was coming. It is now time for Gravity Killer. And do not get me wrong, the name sounds very scary, but the side is even scarier. As this time, no, you will not be going down 4 funnel sections, but in fact 1, just a much bigger one. However, what makes it so scary is that you'll be going down with 4 people. Yeah, that's almost a whole handful. And yes, if you are so brave, heading down with your friends and family can be so fun, sharing those reactions and everything like that. But if you're like me, who will scream the entire way round, trust me when I say, going down that funnel section and screaming, there'll be memories that they will never, ever let you forget. Thank you all for watching, bye bye.